SIEM solution, the security incident and event management solution, it's very important. Now there are multiple tools in the market. There is IBM QRadar, there is Splunk, there is Coralogics, Microsoft Sentinel, and so on. Now, the most important part, that why you will learn Splunk. Splunk is one of the SIEM tool which is being used in most of the areas. Okay, most of the client, 90% of the client are using Splunk, because Splunk give that flexibility to create dashboards, to create personalized dashboards, to create reports, to create a different data insights from the data. Now, Splunk or any SIEM solution is mandatory to be used by most of the companies, because if the company is ISO compliant, ISO 27001, then SIEM solution is mandatory, because they need to capture the logs, they need to have a log monitoring tool. And the result why the clients are opting for Splunk is that Splunk is a tool which will not only help you in monitoring, it will help you in incident investigation, it will help you to create alerts whenever any incident happens. Not only that, many analytic companies like Tiger Analytics are opting for Splunk to understand the strategy of the data. You can also monitor the business performance, you can also monitor how the CPU overall load is there, how the server is performing. Apart from that, using mathematical functions of Splunk, you can also calculate the business performance, the business losses. If there is any kind of unscheduled downtime, how much loss business suffered. Okay, all these areas you can easily find with the Splunk. That's why if you see, the market share of Splunk is now increasing progressively from 4%. So for example, if you consider the other tools, it's around 4%, 8.7%, but for Splunk it's more than 50%. Job opportunities is Splunk. No need to check on the slide. Just go to LinkedIn, type Splunk. You will get around 10, 20 to 25 jobs immediately. So there is a huge increase in the job opportunity. If we split the percentage in 2018, when Splunk was just new to the market, it was around 20%, but it's now has increased to 65%.